Hi, Assalamualaikum. In this video, I am going to write how to write uppercase character T. Bring your marker near to the first line and now move up. Draw the line on first line. Move slight diagonally on third line and make curve here like this. Now pick up your marker. Once again, I am writing uppercase character T. Bring your marker near to the first line, move upward and draw the line on first line, move diagonally, slide diagonally on third line and move your marker upward diagonally like this. Here is uppercase character T. Remember one thing, there is slight difference between uppercase character F and uppercase character T. So remember, here is uppercase character T. If we add the line, wavy line in the center of uppercase character T, it becomes uppercase character F. So without line, it is uppercase character T. See you in next video. Tata.